To make a fruit pie, we need fruit, flour, butter, soil for fruit and wheat to grow in, and grass for cows to graze on. We don't think about it, but we also need the Earth, which is the only known planet where all this can happen. In short, to make a fruit pie, we need the entire universe. All the atoms that we're made of have been formed in the heart of stars, even the iron atoms in our blood. The further we look into space, the further we look into the past. If we could teleport ourselves 5 billion light years back in time, we could observe the birth of our solar system. When astronauts went to the moon, a thing that surprised them was being able to see our planet Earth from space for the first time. The moon is a sterile place surrounded by emptiness. Nothing moves on the moon's surface. Everything has remained intact since 1969, when we dumped 200 tons of material.
I was strolling on the moon one day.